Good day, my friends. Today we're going to make a little bird video here. I'm watching the hummingbirds with this Sony Handycam, and I've got my GoPro set up on the bird bath. I'm going to try to work it with my remote control from the front porch and see how that works rather than leave the camera running all the time. Welcome to my vlog today, or my bird watching video, whichever one you're watching at this time. Good day, my friends. Walter here. I invite you to spend a few minutes of your time watching birds with me this afternoon. When I was a young man, life just seemed to pass me by in a hurry without ever learning to appreciate the finer things in life. And you take time when you get older to sit down and think twice about how you spend your time. It's nothing wrong with sitting and watching the birds, that's for sure. When you're watching birds, it gives you time to think about things and reflect on your life as it passes by. Thanks for tuning in today, by the way. This afternoon I've been birding with a GoPro. Did I say birding with a GoPro without stuttering? No. Anyway, it's kind of like fishing. I'm using my app from the front porch to start the recording whenever a bird shows up. Well, wouldn't you know, I've sat up there for an hour and a half and only got a couple birds taking a drink. Didn't get one taking a bath, but it is the middle of the day and hot. We'll try some more this afternoon after we recharge the camera.